Just now, I have met the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and expressed our good wishes to him and the people of Tamil Nadu, which have been conveyed by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I have also conveyed to him our strong appreciation for providing exemplary services on the health front in particular, which is my domain, and also ensuring that the fight against COVID, which they relentlessly pursued during 2020, was also very successful. Various facts that we noticed, including the performance of 100% RT-PCR tests, providing good quality facilities for treatment of patients even in the government sector, and also for now institutionalizing the post-COVID care sequelae and the research around that. I had come to Tamil Nadu specifically to oversee the arrangements being made for the impending vaccination against COVID that the health workers and the frontline workers shall be getting in the first phase. Today, as you know, this dry run has taken place in all parts of the country except 3 states where they had already done it. And since morning I had the privilege to visit 3 facilities specifically in the government sector and the private sector, and also the central stores where the vaccines are stored for distribution to most of the southern states, along with syringes and many other things. Also had the opportunity to visit one facility providing radiotherapy to poor patients of cancer through a government facility with the help of linear accelerators, etc. I can only say that I was very happy and satisfied, and whatever feedback I have taken, the detailed presentation that was made by the Health Secretary of Tamil Nadu at one of the super specialty hospitals, I think it was very thorough, very comprehensive. Tamil Nadu government and its health department deserves our highest appreciation for the good work that they have been doing and pursuing also. I reminded the Chief Minister that in the early part of 2020 we had jointly laid the foundation stone of few medical colleges which have been given to Tamil Nadu because of the blessings of our Prime Minister. You know that in the second term of the Prime Minister in 2019, the cabinet had decided to have 75 more medical colleges converted from district hospitals in the country.
கொரோனா தடுப்பூசி தொடர்பாக முதல்வருடன் மத்திய சுகாதாரத்துறை அமைச்சர் ஹர்ஷ்வர்தன் ஆலோசனை நடத்திய பின்னர் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்தார். அப்போது பேசிய அவர் கொரோனா தடுப்பூசி போடுவதற்காக ஏற்படுத்தப்பட்டிருக்கும் வசதிகளை நேரில் பார்வையிட்டதாகவும் கொரோனா தடுப்பு பணிகளில் தமிழகம் சிறப்பாக செயல்பட்டிருப்பதாகவும் தெரிவித்தார்.
உடனுக்குடன் செய்திகளை தெரிந்து கொள்ள சன் நியூஸ் பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.